Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. The latest iOS update, iOS 18, brings many new features and improvements to your iPhone. Unfortunately, some users have reported that this caused their batteries to drain faster than usual. If you're experiencing faster battery depletion after updating to iOS 18, this video will show you several steps to address the problem and restore your iPhone's battery life. Let's go. Before diving into the fixes, it's helpful to understand some common causes of battery drain. Many apps continue to run in the background, even when you're not actively using them. This can drain your battery. Apps also that use location services can consume significant battery power. Excessive push notifications can also contribute to battery drain. Lastly, a higher screen brightness setting can drain your battery faster. Here are some potential fixes for the iOS 18 battery drain issue. Apple frequently releases software updates to address bugs and improve performance. To ensure you're running the latest version of iOS 18, go to your device's settings. Tap on General, and then select Software Update. You can find more information about the specific bugs fixed in each update here or online. To see which apps are consuming the most power, go back to the main settings page. Then navigate to Battery. Scroll down, and you'll see a list of apps ranked by their battery usage. Identifying power-hungry apps can help you manage or uninstall them to conserve battery life. Next, go to the General options and find Background App Refresh. Toggle off the switch for apps you don't need to refresh in the background. As I've mentioned, these can also consume significant battery power, so better turn them off if not in use. Here, find the Privacy and Security section. Then choose Location Services. Turn off location services for apps that don't require precise location data. For apps that do need location services, consider using While Using App or Never settings. Then manually adjust the screen brightness to a comfortable level. You can change it on the Control Center. Use Auto Brightness to let your iPhone automatically adjust the brightness based on ambient light. Return to Settings and check the battery health of your phone. If your battery's maximum capacity is below 80%, it might need to be replaced. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary software glitches. Keep in mind, though, that the specific combination of keys required to do this may vary depending on the model of iPhone you have. For iPhones with Face ID, such as iPhone 10, iPhone 11, or any newer model, do the following steps. The following procedure also applies for iPhone 8 and iPhone SE. Press and quickly release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button. Once the Apple logo appears, release the side button and wait for your iPhone to restart. On the other hand, the process is slightly different on the iPhone 7. In this case, you need to press and hold both the volume down and side buttons simultaneously. Continue holding both buttons until the Apple logo appears on the screen. For those with an iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold both the sleep and home buttons at the same time. Keep holding both buttons and release them when the Apple logo appears. Additional tips to conserve the battery life. Keep your device away from extreme temperatures. Monitor and manage app usage. Turn off Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or cellular data when not in use. Lastly, limit the number of widgets and notifications on your device. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.